This is the ADHD Life Command Center app. No spreadsheet skills needed. You open one file in any browser, and your whole life is in one calm place. Tasks, habits, bills, appointments, and a mood check-in. It saves your work automatically and has a dark mode for low-energy days. The whole idea is capture first, sort later, and pick a top 3. No streaks to break, nothing to fall behind on. Let me walk you through it with a real sample week, planned on Monday, June 15th. Today is the home screen, and it fills itself in from every other section. Across the top, 5 things open for today, for flag due now, for notes waiting to be sorted, and 3 of 7 habits done so far. Down the left, this week at a glance, 12 tasks open, 6 bills due soon totaling $392, therapy in 2 days, a refill in 5, and 5 wins already logged. On the right, your top 3. Finish the Thursday slide deck, pick up your prescription, reply to the landlord. Anytime something is rattling around your head, you type it straight in here. Unsorted is fine. Give it a quick type like idea, errand, or someday, and later you tag it, move it where it belongs, and hit clear. For items are waiting to be sorted right now, and the today screen keeps the count, so nothing gets lost. Capturing it is the win. Deciding what to do can wait for when you've got the energy. The tasks section is your full list, and it organizes itself. You just flag whether some habits are deliberately gentle. You tap a day when you do the thing, meds, moving, water, a wind down, a quick tidy, and today is marked with the coral outline. Each habit has a soft weekly goal, not a perfect run, so 3 of 7 done is genuinely okay. There are no streaks to break. If you miss a day, you just pick it back up, and nothing turns red on you. The money section keeps every bill and subscription in one place, with a days until countdown so nothing surprises you. 6 bills due within the week, $392 in all. The simple budget shows $4,200 in, $3,600 out, $600 left to save or spend. And over in Wellbeing, there's a calm mood and energy check-in, plus your appointments and medication refills counting down, and a quick wins log, data, not judgment, so you can be kind to yourself. And that's the tour. Empty your head into the brain dump, let tasks sort itself, take a habit or 2, and glance at today to see it all rolled up. 8 interactive sections. It runs in any browser with nothing to install, and it saves your work automatically. Capture first, sort later, pick your top 3, and let the calm screen carry the rest. The link to grab it is in the description. Thanks for watching, and be kind to yourself this week.